Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to Zoho CRM. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in Zoho CRM, create deals every time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Zoho CRM as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action, Create Deal. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you need to populate the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Zoho CRM. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho CRM. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.